one of the first things I like to adjust with my reverb is the pre-delay time. Now, pre-delay determines basically how long after that initial signal will the reverb start, okay? So the longer the pre-delay is, the longer you're gonna have before you have that initial vocal and then the reverb. If you have zero pre-delay, then as soon as that vocal is hitting, then the reverb is happening at the same time, okay? Now, in a real scenario, reverb is created by the sound bouncing off of the walls in a room, and it doesn't happen instantaneously. And in a record, you kind of want to create that space between your reverb and the vocal. So to get the perfect reverb sound, what we want to do is to get the perfect separation is we want to calculate a pre-delay time that's going to be in time with the music. So I typically like to use like a 16th note pre-delay time. And now the way that we calculate that is by using a little mathematics. Now I know y'all scared.